Yo, how's it going, everybody? How's it going? It's been a couple days. It's been a couple days since we've been online. The Dodgers are the go, dude. That game was incredible, dude. Good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing? How is everybody doing? Let me get signed in on my funded accounts real quick, and I'll be good to go. Give me 1 second here. Alrighty, good to go. Yeah, it's been I think Thursday, right? Thursday since we've been on. Chat, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not a fan of this. I'm not a fan of this gap up at all. I'm not gonna lie. It's been throwing me off. To start off the week, I don't like it when there's such a big new week opening gap like this, and especially with no targets. Right, that's what makes it. That's what makes it even more rough. I think tomorrow or some. So we have a lot of earnings this week. We have a lot of FOMC this week. I think the ultimate draw is going to be new week opening gap. I think new week opening gap is going to be the draw here. Today I don't know, but I'm talking about overall and I'm talking about overall this week. A bunch of low resistance liquidity built up from overnight. Probably like a 5 minute gap here, yeah. So this 5 minute gap, we'll play this and see what we can do here at open. I did not, no. Today's a wrap, I agree. You can't trade these markets, I agree. This is very iffy. So we'll see what we can get. We shall see. I'm actually interested to see what we get. Have you started playing around in GC? Yeah, I have. You want a short till new week opening gap? Not today. I'm talking about overall. In general, I think that's the move this week. Like playing the lower prices. I don't know. It's been tough for me to play. Day trading has been. It's been. But leaving that gap open with such news later this week, we have Trump and the Chinese president meeting. We have FOMC on Wednesday. We have earnings on Wednesday as well. So there's a bunch of catalysts that possibly could drive us down there. We just gotta wait and see if we do get a move down. Next here, bro. I think the hat's. I don't know where the hat went. I think it's in my room, my bedroom. Chat, make sure you drop a like on the stream. Make sure you drop a like on the stream. It goes a long way. All right, like I said, we got a 5 minute gap here. We'll see what this 5 minute gap does. If we continue higher, that's gonna be crazy. I mean, I've been saying 7,000 is gonna get hit before end of the year, but ideally, I would have liked a little bit lower before we got that. All right, there's our open. Where have you been? I've been here, bro. It's just Wednesday or Fridays I really don't stream. Um, it's not like always consistent on Fridays, right? And then I had my brother over this weekend, so Sunday was a really late night for us. Um, so I was like, dude, this is, and also the gap up. I'm like, I'm probably not gonna take a trade. So I decided not to go live. But we'll be live for the rest of the week. We also have another live today at 12 p.m. Eastern with Lanto. So we have double live today. Did you watch all 18 innings? I did. Yeah, I traded yesterday with the Discord. I mean, I was looking for a trade. I didn't get anything, but yeah, I don't think I missed much. Chat, we got 300 people in here with 40 likes. So let's do like 100 likes. The more likes, the more giveaways we do. But like I said, I really don't like this gap up. Summer holiday break from streaming. Dude, this gap up just makes me so I can't long up here. I just can't. We have a new week opening gap open. Obviously we're just been grinding higher, but to me it's just not something I like to trade. I need pullback. All time high trading I normally don't do well on, so it's best for me to avoid taking longs or just taking anything up here. We gap up 3 days in a row, no retracement. Yeah, this is not fun. This is not fun. I think FOMC will give us a pullback. I hope so, bro. I hope so. We got major divergence here. ES is moving lower, NQ is moving higher. We have to just wait on this until probably the new 4 hour. I think can scan ES and get a discount. Hey, scan ES to get a code smart discount, bro. That's funny. That's a good one. Oh. It's gotta wait for this next 4 hour. We're currently respecting a 4 hour gap down here, but that's not really a big retracement. ES hasn't been moving up at all compared to NQ. What's your longest red day streak? I don't know. I don't know, bro. What's good, Manoli? What's good? Bro, still Miami. Yeah, I like Miami when I went. It was good. Chat, we got SMT at the highs. We got SMT at the lows. Let's see. SMT at the highs and lows. Okay, okay. We're getting this little move down. I wonder if this IFEG actually holds to the downside. What do you guys think? I would have taken this if ES didn't already run so many lows. But ES is weak. I'd rather wait for the 5-minute to confirm. Oh my god, I'm yawning. Alright, ES is getting a pretty nice move down for open. NQ just kind of chilling. I think for the most part, we'll probably be like near break even for today. Like overall, the market. We'll see. I would have taken this inversion if ES wasn't as weak as it is. Yeah, many earnings. Yeah. Earnings tomorrow. I'm trading a 1-1 system. I'm ready to making 6 hours per month. It's good enough for futures. Yeah, bro. If you're profitable at the end of the month, that's good. What's good, dollar? All right, chat. What do you think? Higher or lower from the prices that it's at right now? Where we're gonna close? Are you closing higher or lower than where we are right now? We got a 5-minute gap. We still got S&T in this 5-minute gap. Good morning, Kirby. Is the government open now? No, not yet. Lower, lower. Should do the same. Go higher. Chopped and higher. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. There's a lot of low resistance liquidity. Look at this. All right. I want to see potentially this get ran through. That'd be good, but I'm not going to be short biased until we get like a 5-minute flip or something. ES looks good for a short. Look at this. 15-minute IFEG coming, but NQ doesn't. NQ is still very strong. So we literally have, guys, indices are literally going the opposite way. Do not trade this. Do not fucking trade this. We're literally going the other way. Look at ES and look at NQ. Probably just wait for the opening. Yeah, for sure. Best to wait, definitely. One of these indices is lying. I don't know which one. ES is very weak compared to ES or NQ, and then NQ is kind of holding up here. NQ's not doing much. NQ lying? You think so? Let's see. Time will tell. We got the new 4-hour open here in about 20 minutes. Check the hourly, see how it looks. The hourly looks kind of goofy. The difference is actually crazy. Oh, Battlefields today? Dude, NQ and ES, how the fuck is this possible, dude? Alright, so Discord, see y'all tomorrow. I'm not getting off, but I'm not taking a trade in this. Fuck this, dude. What the fuck is happening? Look at this. ES dumped what? 10 points since open. NQ's been up, green. Seems no trade this AM. I agree. Definitely a no trade AM. $1,000%. Yeah, because since these are correlating assets, they should be moving the same. Roughly. No, I'll do giveaways. A lot of places are gonna take a huge hit without snap benefits. Yo, Didi, yeah, with Lanto. Are you streaming FMC? Nah, probably not. We'll stream tomorrow morning like usual. I mean, it's the day before a bunch of news, so I mean, I expect chop. But that doesn't mean we got to get chopped up. So now we just chill. Let's be patient, guys. Be patient. Adam, he's doing a little better back home. He's doing a little better. Yeah, ES is looking a little crazy. NQ says, nope, I don't want to move this morning. ES is pretty much flat on the day. NQ's up 0.3%. We still don't know which one's lying. During P session, Lanto, yeah, it would just be a little Lanto. Just Lanto. Dude, what the fuck is happening, bro? NQ is not moving. I thought we were gonna get a big candle out of nowhere. I don't know which way, but it's gonna be like a random one. Alright, NQ's NQ's starting to turn a little bit. I think it lost 6K due to this chop. Bro, the market just opened. Alright. Here's what I'm looking at, right? My expert analysis. I want to see at least ES run 69, or yeah, so what is it, 6,900? That would be good. That would be good. Maybe some S&T at the highs here again. Like if NQ wants to take out the high, then go down. But I think 6,900 is good on ES. All right, new hourly open here soon. The only thing that kind of makes me iffy is this right here. This hourly fair value gap. If we're gonna move higher, it's gonna be from this hourly gap right here. So either this is a move down through it, or this is gonna rebalance and send higher. It's a very small gap. It's only 2 points, but it is there. So hopefully we can go through it and go through 6,900. 6,900 would be ideal. ES is really weak. Bounce here or 6,900 would be the move. Is it gonna be? Am I gonna be comfortable taking anything? No, definitely not. ES is really going for those overnight lows while NQ is sitting here in this opening range. Like, think about it. That's almost a 100-point difference on NQ for those lows. All right, there you go. NQ getting some follow through here. ES is pretty much, I think it's red on the day, right? Yeah, a little red on the day. This hourly is not holding. 6,900 looks really good, even if this hourly closes right here. Chat, we gotta be patient. We gotta be patient. All right, still rejecting the lower time frame on ES, which is good. I think 6,900, then we'll see what we can get from there. Chat, make sure to drop a like. If we get 125 likes, we'll do a giveaway right now. 125 likes and we'll do a giveaway right now. Dusty, you saw that Dodgers game? I did, bro. That was an insane game. Insane. Yeah, patience is the name of the game, bro. We can't be pressing buttons in this price action. This will be the 5-minute low on NQ. Dude, we're still in this 5-minute gap. ES is doing whatever. Desi about funded next. Dude, funded next is such a good deal right now. No consistency on legacy is really nice. Alright, how many likes we got? We're at 127 likes. We'll start the giveaway here in a bit. At like 5 minutes-ish. We'll get the giveaway going. This is the 15 minutes looking like. The 15-minute low here that I want to get swept on NQ. This 15-minute low or 15-minute gap start. I want to see that get tapped into. Alright, let's see what we want to give away. We'll give away a Tradeify growth, I think. Alright, real quick, if you guys are in the Discord, you guys already know the deal. You guys already know the deal. We're going to do 3 minutes on this. Actually, we'll do 3 minutes. If you guys aren't in the Discord, I'll link it right now. One winner. 50K growth. Good luck. Boom. Giveaway started. If you guys aren't in the Discord, let me invite you. Copy. There you go. We already got 100 entries. If you guys just joined the Discord, go to this giveaway tab. Alright, 15-minute low swept on NQ, a 15-minute gap here. We'll see what kind of close we get. Team Smart, we're going to be champions on Grand Cup Tradeify. Yeah, when does it start? It starts this week, right? The Grand Cup. I'll trade it too and see what I can do. All right, 2 minutes on the giveaway. We got 200 entries. I'm just here for the giveaways. So NQ and ES have different looks, right? NQ has barely tapped into 15-minute. ES has been a 15-minute inversion. The gorilla emoji. Alright, we got a red or orange folder here at 7 or 10 a.m. Eastern. Interesting. Let's see if it does anything. What's good, Nins? I'm good, bro. I'm good. How are you? How are you? Alright, NQ's getting a reaction out of this 15-minute. Looks like a sweeping up. Just such different looks. Oh, congrats to Bryce. Oh my god, what the fuck happened there? Yeah, 15-minute gap got a good reaction on NQ. Guys, this is such a no trading day for me. Alright, 20 seconds for the giveaway. Guys, this is definitely a no trading day for me. Alright. 3, 2, 1. And the winner is MGOG. MGOG. Congrats. DM me on Discord and I will send you the account after the stream. We'll do more giveaways in the stream. I'm going to put this in the big bold letters. Chat, we must exercise our patience here. I feel like the market is waiting for it tomorrow, honestly. Well, the first OG account. This is just terrible, 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 terrible price action, chat. Do not trade this. We have 1 minute bullish breaker forming for higher, bro. I'm good off this, dude. I'm not fucking touching this. I'm not trading this, guys. I don't care. Even if price is moving well right now, I'm still not touching this. It's so slow. This is a one-way ticket to blow your account. A one-way ticket to blow your account. All-time highs price action always so gay. It is, bro. Every single time we're at all-time highs, it's just so bad. I do so bad at all-time highs too. I like to full put evals, but can't fund it. I mean, it's 1-to-1 drawdown or 1-to-1 profit target to drawdown. It's not that bad. 40% consistency. It is what it is. You can't have it all. Dude, I'm so uncomfortable right now. I don't know. I can't find a comfortable sitting position. It's EOD. It's not trailing drawdown now. Yeah, no, yeah, I agree. When we're like kind of red in Asia and London, we have all-time highs. Yeah, we can target those highs, but right now where we leave no London highs or Asia highs because we've been grinding up, so bad. This is a shit price action. Day trading's pass. Day trading's ass, bro. Day trading's ass. Swing trading's where it's at. Swing trading, guys. Swing trading clears day trading. It's not even close. I'm talking about even when price action is good for day trading. Swing trading clears. Made a performance? Oh, yeah. Yeah, for sure. They could build your swing trading report, but, dude. Swing trading is so nice. You gotta wake up every day and look at the bullshit ass market. Thoughts on the eye poke? I mean, if bro couldn't see, he couldn't see. It is what it is. I wanted to see the fight, but if you really couldn't see, then I think people think he quit. That's just dumb, bro. These guys trained their entire lives. If you think he quit because he thought he was going to lose the fight, then I think he wouldn't have made it as far as he already has. That doesn't make sense to me. Oh, he quit. No. Bro, he trained for his whole life for this moment. Bro, he got... Not only did he get both eyes poked, that eye poke went in and then it went even further in. Cyril Gahn looked good, though. He looked good. Like, I remember one time I went for a rebound in basketball and I got hit in the eye and I just couldn't see for like 2 minutes. And I was like, bro, am I like going blind? Like, getting hit in the eye bad, it definitely, you know, you can't see. I feel like more people are mad at Tom than Cyril Gahn actually poking him in the eye. It's crazy. I actually disagree. I thought Tom would still win that personally. I hope they reschedule the fight quick though. Like I don't want to wait 8 months for a reschedule. I mean, he was losing it, but the fight was only 3 minutes in, bro, or like whatever it was. So it's not like he was 3 rounds in still getting dominated, bro. Like, you know? I mean, fighters could adjust like, that's what they're supposed to do. They adjust to situations. Yeah, I think you just put him on one of the end of the year cards and see what happens. But they're not gonna turn around in a month though. It's not gonna happen. As much as I would like for it to happen. Euro USD. I don't trade forex. I also think Cyril Gahn's better than what people think he is. Like he lost to who? Francis and John Jones. Like he didn't lose to nobodies. But then again, it should have been Volkov, Tom Aspinall, anyways. Yeah, I'd be good. 223. Yeah. Chat is just so slow. I'll probably stick with our no trade bias. Not sure what ES is or NQ is doing. ES is kind of moving down, but yeah, preserve mental capital. Oh, back to what I was saying though. Day trading is not better than swing trading at all. Swing trading is clear. You don't got to look at the market every day. You can just set your TP or stop loss and just like go away for a week or whatever. It's just so much better. Okay, also, now that I've traded futures for the same amount of time as I've traded options, so basically I was started at, you guys don't know, I started options trading when I first started. And then I went to futures, and I'm like, dude, futures is so much better, right? But as I traded options more this year, I soon came to realize I think I like trading options more in general than futures. Like, I just think options are better to trade. I think there's more opportunity trading with options. With ES, you're stuck with... I mean, you're not stuck, right? With ES and NQ, you can always trade something else, but it's hard to go between different tickers and things like that. But I feel like it's easier on options to find more opportunity in the market and find better setups in the market, right? Because there's so many stocks and so many different things doing different things at a time, right? So I generally think options for me is always going to be number one. So swing trading options and day trading options, and then day trading futures would be my go-to. How do you trade a $500 account with options? You wouldn't, bro. You wouldn't. You wouldn't touch options until you had $25,000 in your account. That's just the truth. That's just the truth. Also, most people aren't trading options how they're meant to be traded, right? They're meant to be, hedges against your long-term portfolio. Selling calls, things like that, people don't do. And I think me and, if you guys know Sheen on Twitter, we were having this conversation last Thursday. We were talking about how people suck at day trading, and they're like, oh, trading's not for me, right? You got to keep in mind, day trading is such a small part of trading in itself, right? Like, imagine trading as like a whole entire thing, and like there's like sections coming off of it. I forgot what it's called, but there's sections coming off of it, right? And it's like day trading is one of them. Trading leaps is one of them. Swing trading, monthly to 2-week contracts is one of them. Selling calls, a bunch of things that go under the umbrella of trading. But people usually suck at day trading, and they say trading is not for me. Well, there's so many other ways to trade and be profitable and make good money from, right? And no one does that. Or a lot of the day traders, they don't do that because they're like, oh, this doesn't work out for me because I can't day trade. Oh, that's not the only thing that's the trading. And I think that's why leaps and swing trading overall are just better. Also, you just have way more opportunity, in my opinion. Way, way, way more opportunity. I mean, you can always go to a cash account if you don't have 25K, but I'm talking about if you have a $500 account and options, like, what is that? One contract to spy in the money? Like, bro, what do you, like, come on, bro, like, a week out, 2 weeks out, like, that's not going to do anything for you, bro. The chance of you flipping $500 to anything substantial and worth is not high. Now, I'm just playing it from a realistic standpoint. I'm not going to sell dreams and be like, you know what? You could turn $500 into 10K. No, you can't. You're donating to whoever you're buying the contract from. So that's why I think the best thing is, the best situation or best the best combo would be is getting payouts from the prop firms and putting them into a portfolio. Yeah, price stop. I mean, it was expected day before FOMC. I woke up today. I was like, I'm not even looking at this. Should take a trade. Options is rich man's game for sure. You need to trade options. Yeah, you need break. Yeah. I'm not interested in trading on forex brokers. FOMC tomorrow. Yeah, it's still happening. Option sellers. Yeah. Option sellers are the true winners, bro. Option sellers are true winners. Yeah, retail rinse, retail getting cooked. Well, let me go doom scroll on TikTok because this is not moving. Jesse should win. Does at any point strategy stop working? No. If it's like if you have a good strategy that you've been training for a while, it won't stop working. You might have periods where you have a lot of drawdown, and not a lot of drawdown in terms of like, I mean, multiple losses in a row. But that's fine. Do you prefer the legacy or rapid accounts? They're both really good. I'm not gonna lie. With the legacy account removing consistency rule, I think that one's probably better. Future of pure scouts, yeah. What makes legacy better? Yeah, uncapped payout. It's like Top Step but better, basically. The consistency on the eval is kind of annoying, 40%, but it's like OG Top Step if you get the funded accounts. No uncapped payouts. That's why. Chow, we haven't moved since we got on stream. Oh my god, dude, I can't wait to retire from day trading, bro. One day there'll be a day where I don't have to wake up every day for the market, and I'll forget what chop looks like. Clash Royale streamer. Real shit, bro. Let me go play some Clash. I haven't played in a while, I'm not gonna lie. Bro, every time I oversleep, people are like, oh, you oversleep. Bro, the market's ass. I avoided yesterday because it was ass. So I wanted to avoid today, but I have to stream but it's ass. I don't want to miss too many days of streaming. If the market will open mid-afternoon, would you still like day trade? I mean, yeah, I would. Someone cooked you for me in Clash? I don't know who did. Probably one of the co-leaders. I see they changed the trophy requirement and stuff like that. Pacific West Coast market open too early? Yeah. Yeah, funded no longer has the 40% consistency on the funded accounts. Yep. That's what the whole promo thing is about, which is really good. Now NQ is a little bit weaker here. And we have a double stream today with Lanto. Dude, we're so cooked. Bring Agent Jeff. about to lose my Clash game. GG's. Bro, mirrored here to Elite Barbarians. Unfortunate. Bro's hitting the 6-7 emo on me. Chat, we aren't fucking moving. This is crazy. Jewish figures a downside. What? The greatest price action known to mankind. Yes, sir. Gluten. Gluten. Oh my god. Gluten. Good call. Good call. Save the mental capital, bro. I just want to see that low get hit on ES potentially before we get off, but honestly not looking like it. See what this gap does here. Scan NQ 200% off your mortgage. Finally, some good day PA after all these days. What do you mean? Are you trading the same? Are you trading the same markets? Bro's trading DLC markets. Chat, I'm so ass at Clash these days. Yeah, no, this is a good price action. That's crazy. That's crazy. Bring back Biden PA without him in office. Joe Biden's market was one of the greatest markets of all time, bro. I don't care what anyone says. That shit was elite. Shout out Byron, bro. We had this like SMT going on, whatever this is, bro. I don't know. No, NQ's weak compared to ES, which I don't mind, but we could all sleep well at night. No, seriously, dude. Byron market was good. What's gold doing these days? I posted in Discord I wanted 39.50. I think we got that last night. Yeah, we did. That's a pretty good reaction off the C of the weekly gap. Yeah, gold looks good. I mean, it's moving much better than NQ is, I'll tell you that much. You mistraded London? No, but I think the something I am annoyed about is that I'm sacrificing my London trading so I can be live in the morning, right? And it's just not working out. Like, it's not worth it, in my opinion. My opportunity cost is not... Is smart platform down? Let me check. I don't think it shouldn't be now. Maybe they're doing some maintenance. No, it works. It's working for me. Oh, actually, let me see. It looks a little buggy. Is it when you load it in, it's like a big check mark? Mike? What the fuck is happening here? Let me know if that's the issue, Mike. I'll tell Brian right now. Yeah, okay. Let's see what he says. I'll tell Brian about it. I don't know if Brian's awake or not. He probably is. Alright, I sent it to him. Let's see what he says. NQ is getting a little weaker here, which is good. I think ES building all this low resistance is going to get ran through here soon. Down into 901. I think that low on NQ or ES is good. NQ's about to inverse a 5-minute. And I believe the 15-minute here too. If we get a 5-minute inversion, I low-key am looking to. I'll look to short this. I'll take this one jab. Such a dead market. Yes, and keep going back and forth. But yeah, I texted Brian about the check mark. I'll see what he says. If he's up. Alright, it's actually a pretty solid setup forming here. I mean, this would be a good setup, a 1 to 3-ish. Or 1.5 R. Yeah, I'm waiting for the 15 too. I mean, bro, knowing this market is not gonna happen. There's like a 20% chance this setup even happens. Respecting the trend on ES, we're just still respecting the 5 and 15 IQ. Super duper slow. Yeah, the website's super buggy. Imagine this is V-shapes all the way back up. We got a 15-minute gap here on ES. We'll see what this does, guys. I honestly don't know. I do not know. Probably the PM session, if anything. I think ES tops his 15-minute gap for sure here. This is a good hide tag. I'm not interested in any of this though. I'm good off of this. This is where you blow your account. Time of price action. We have lower distance for ES. Also had a high bicep for NQ. I know, dude. Rough. This looks like we're gonna tap the 15-minute gap on it. Yes. I would not be surprised if we just like melt through it. Like that would be obviously not ideal, but it's a day this type of price action. Just slow melt, maybe it's just chop. We got big earnings tomorrow. We got FOMC tomorrow. And right back down. It's just don't get caught up in this chop, guys. That's my only advice here. I think he was a lot weaker here than yeah, it's first time today. Interesting stuff. Let's see if we could get a continuation here finally to the downside. That would be good. The LR, and ES is still there. ES needs to give us this trend line. I think it could go. ES being a little stubborn. Yeah, this 5-minute would be good. The 15-minute is about to close here. We'll see. I'm not expecting too much. I'm just glad I haven't had upside bias because I'm not really interested in higher prices. Chat, it was good patience today though. I'm glad we exercised patience and didn't take setups because like I said, from the open here we have not moved. Look at the 5-minute, right? Pretty much no movement on this. So I'm happy with that. The 15-minute looks like it could go though. The lower time frame really doesn't align with what the 15's showing me, I feel like, but I don't know. This is going to be so iffy because we're going to be trading into an hourly gap here. Chat, I'm not going to lie. I think the best case scenario is waiting for PM. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Alright, Glenn, I'm kind of with you right now. I'm not going to lie. Probably wrap up here soon. I think waiting for PM will be the best bet. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I'm not gonna be like, if PM's ass, it is sass, but better than whatever this is. Like, I'm not going into with high expectations, but after the setup, I'll take it. That's gonna end streaming. We're gonna start moving. We're about to, dude. That's how it always works, bro. Always. All right, chat. We've been on for a while. We got PM stream at 12 p.m. Eastern. 12 p.m. Eastern during lunch with Lanto. So I'll see you guys there. I don't want to burn myself out because it's like literally an hour and 15 minutes before I'm live again. Appreciate you guys for sticking here with me. Unfortunately, price action has been pretty bad. We haven't done anything. No trades this morning. Good patience. Especially day before FOMC and earnings as well. We'll do another giveaway later in the other stream. Peace and love, chat. Peace and love. Catch you guys in the next one.